Hello, and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today, we're going to learn how to load staples into the internal finisher of a Sharp multifunctional printer. Newer Sharp models will alert you when it's time to add staples with a notification that appears in the bottom left corner of the display. To load staples, first open the front cover and slide the finisher away from the machine. Then, grab the green tab and pull out the staple assembly. You'll notice that there is a small frosted arrow on the sides of the plastic. Squeeze the arrows and the empty cartridge will be released. Once empty, insert a new cartridge and place the assembly inside the stapler. If you get stuck, reference the illustrated instructions on the inside of the finisher door. To remove the jammed staple, simply pull on the green tab located on the staple holder. This should reveal the jammed staple, which you can remove with your hands. Then, close the tab back down, insert the staple assembly back inside the machine, and close the cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful, and we hope you'll come back whenever you have routine printer maintenance questions. If you have a concern that can't be addressed here, please feel free to call our customer service specialists at 210-340-8909.